Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about Brave. Brave is a secure, fast, and private web browser with ad blocker. So I knew about Brave, but if you guys remember, we did the giveaway, the EOS giveaway, and one of the winners with the funniest joke, Eric Chesnia, I think is how you pronounce his name. He emailed me and said that I should check this out. And Eric, I want to give you a shout out because I actually really like Brave. I've been using it since you sent it, and it's really cool. So first, to understand what Brave is, you guys got to understand what Basic Attention Token is. So Basic Attention Token is a really interesting project. If you guys don't know about it, you should. It's been out for quite some time now. They're doing a ton of different things in the digital advertising sector, and really they're just trying to kind of give a better user experience to everybody when surfing the web, and they want you to own your data, right? And if you guys have been following all the things going on with Facebook and data being sold, and you guys realize how much we're being tracked when you go from site to site, you, I think, would enjoy the aspect of what Brave has to offer. So Brave was this browser similar to Google Chrome, but better, in my opinion, that Basic Attention Token launched. And so you can download Brave. It's super easy. It looks like this. It's like this little line right here. It's actually really cool. Quick to download. Once you fire it up, the home screen comes like this. And what it does, so it blocks trackers. So I've already, just from the brief time I've used it, I already had 12 different things trying to track all of my data that I went from site to site to site. So I didn't even realize that I was being tracked that much going different places. So there's been 3 different ads blocked. So you don't even have to get an ad blocker technically with it. To the best of my knowledge, I haven't seen an ad yet, which is cool. HTTPS upgrades. So like I said, it's free to download, free to use, fires right up. And actually too, if you look right here on their site, they actually give a comparison of how it compares with Chrome. So regardless of how you guys feel about these news channels, they show how much faster Brave loads the full page, 16 seconds versus 45, 12 versus 84. Whose browser is taking 84 seconds to load? That's crazy. You got to get off a dial-up if that's the case. But like I said, in my experience, using it so far, you save a lot of time, right? I mean, just ad blockers alone are awesome, let alone, but the trackers was a big thing for me. If I browse the internet, I don't want people following everywhere I go. It's just not cool, you know what I mean? So yeah, so like I said, this is kind of a snapshot here of how the back office looks, and you can kind of always track what it's doing for you in real time. And they even give you an estimated time saved, because imagine if you had to watch, a 15-second ad every 30 minutes, that time ends up adding up over the course of your life, and you'd rather spend it on things you like instead of watching ads for products that you probably don't. So like I said, check out Brave. It's free to download. This is not like a promotion or anything like that, just a cool tool that was shared with me that I want to share with you guys. Plus, Lions are awesome. So if you guys like Brave and you guys like Basic Attention Token and what these guys are doing, and you want to have a better experience while surfing the web, then check out Brave. As normal, if this was valuable for you guys, please. Oh, by the way, real quick, it's brave.com, just in case you make sure you want to go to the right one and not download some virus or something like that. So brave.com, but I'd Google it first just to make sure you go to the right one. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video and you guys got value from this, please like and subscribe if you haven't. For those of you who are just watching the videos and not subscribing, what's your deal? Join the rest of us. It's better over here, trust me. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you.